So here uh, I have come up with 3D modeling of AC generator. So we have field magnet to opposite concave shaped poles. There's an axle over which we will mount coil and connect other parts which are required for circuit to complete. So I have placed that axle there. You won't see this axle in theoretical diagram in your books, but see, actually that axle is required after. Otherwise, how are we going to fix that coil between the poles of magnet? So it requires some rigid support. So here it is. And before I draw that coil, I'll tell you that okay, in DC motor there is a split ring, but in AC generator there is slip ring. These are two metal conductor and they are slip ring. So what is slip ring actually? These are two metal conductor. So two opposite ends, two wires coming out from that coil connects from one end from one of the ring, other end from other ring. These rings rotate with the coil, so that when coil rotates, wire don't get entangled with each other. So these rotate with the coil, and to make its proper connection with outer circuit, there are two graphite blocks which we call carbon brush. Because of some tradition, we call them carbon brush. Actually, these are graphite block. And why graphite block? Because graphite is good conductor, it is slippery, so that it gives a non-frictional contact and proper conducting contact. So here little bit adjustment is required. So okay, there is coil and I am connecting that. You can see one of the part to one of the slip ring and other part to other slip ring, and there are those graphite blocks. I have written it carbon brush as mentioned in your books. In the books, sometime these two are shown on to opposite side. I have drawn them on same side. It doesn't matter. So it's okay. So actually they are not influencing each other. So that's why it's not an issue with this. Now outer circuit in which we have to supply that current. Some people might say that where is battery? So it is AC generator. It generates electricity. So it don't require battery. Remember, DC motor requires battery because it consumes electricity and gives rotational motion. This requires rotational motion. We rotate the coil and then we get electricity. So here I am showing that I am lighting an electric bulb here. So this axle rotates, it rotates, coil rotates with it, and these slip rings also rotate with it, and graphite blocks make proper contact with this coil with the help of shaft and axle and these slip rings. And when it rotates, then due to electromagnetic induction, current flows This current has alternate nature, so we called it AC generator. So for more detail, there is a video on it. So I hope you liked it.